Hello, are you on a tight budget looking for free and inexpensive ways to promote your product or service online? If so, then this gig exclusively on Fiverr is definitely for you. Before you consider more expensive paid advertising options, you should try SEO, free marketing, and viral marketing strategies first. Here's what you get with this bargain offer. In the basic package, you get two guides, SEO basics and how to get free traffic, and the ebook, The Newbie's Guide to Traffic Generation. In the standard package, you get everything in the basic package, plus my free and inexpensive ad platforms list, which has over 50 free and inexpensive platforms to post your ads. You also get two ebooks, Niche Marketing Pro and Internet Marketing Lifestyle. In the premium package, you get everything in the standard package, plus three videos, online viral marketing secrets, YouTube SEO, product launches, tips, and tricks. Now, if all this gig was revealed to you one good source of free traffic, it would be more than worth the premium price. But you will discover hundreds of ways to receive free traffic with this gig. Act now. Order this gig now.